Happy Monday morning to you, Eagles. This is Greg Dart, the Associate Vice President who oversees the Utah State University Eastern Campus. And I just wanted to take a second this morning and give you a quick update on how things are going with COVID on our campus. As you may or may not know, the first few weeks of this semester, we were COVID free. We did not have any on-campus cases, and we knew that was just a matter of time before that changed. Over the last about 3 weeks, cases have shown up on our campus, and we did have what I would call a minor spike with about a dozen active cases at one point between our students and our staff. Those cases were all handled through our COVID care team, and I have been working in conjunction with the folks from emergency management in Logan and with our local health department on how we handle those cases. At one point, out of an abundance of caution, we had almost 25% of our residents in our residence halls on quarantine because they may have been exposed. Based on the fact that we acted quickly and that we followed those guidelines that had been set by the university and then worked in conjunction with our health department, we were able to move that number down to now where there's less than 5% of our residents on quarantine and only 3 active cases on campus, all of which are in isolation. So what I can tell you is that the virus is very real and it is on our campus, but that we have been acting in a way that is mitigating the spread. To be frank, outside of one area, we've had very little, if any, spread on campus because of the actions that you have been taking. And so I come today with a plea for your continued help and support in fighting this virus. And there's 4 main things that we're asking you to do, and I think you know them by heart. One is wear a face covering anytime that you can. It's required in all campus buildings, but we ask that anytime that you can wear a face covering that you do. Number 2 is to keep your distance. Social distancing of 6 feet is what is going to help to slow this spread. Third is to wash your hands and practice good hygiene. Please make sure that you are doing that regularly. And then lastly, of course, is to stay home and let someone know if you're sick. If you have symptoms, let us know and we are there to help. If you have questions about how things are going, if you have questions about where we're at, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email is greg.dart@usu.edu, or you can reach me at my office at 435-613-5220, or my personal cell phone number. Call or text 435-820-0017. Thank you, Eagles, for everything that you're doing. We are in a very good place, but we are trying to get that case number to 0, and we can do it with your help. Thanks so much. Go Eagles.